Yes, sir, we are live.
Okay. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Actually, good evening. Hello, hello, hello. All right. One thing before we start today's session, I hope everybody is watching this video from their laptop device or from their computer device, because today we'll be doing it practical. So I want you to watch this from laptop or from computer, so you can participate in practical activity. All right. Okay. If you don't have a laptop now or a computer, then it's fine. You can do this practice. Once streams get over, then you can watch this video entire, and then you can do it by yourself by watching it. Okay. Yes, there was no assignment yesterday. It was just theory. It was just clearing the concept, making you aware what is digital marketing, introduction, and all that. From today onwards, we will be having practicals and as well as assignment. Okay. Well, attendance leave will get updated anytime soon in the description section, so you can check it. Okay, and then you can mark your attendance. So not to worry on that front. Okay, so we can start. One quick thing before we started today's session. There were a couple of questions which I have noticed yesterday. It was just 1 second. Yeah. So it was to do with there were some several of people right now watching this session. Even yesterday, who watched session, they were saying that they already knew these digital marketing thing, basic concepts and all. I get it, guys. This is essential program, and from essential, we're gonna go to intermediate program. Okay, so they're going to be kind of repetitive. Okay, in the session, who already learned digital marketing by watching some video or maybe you might have took some formal training. You need to bear with, and it's okay. You can still watch it again. It's kind of revision for you, and that's all, man. You have to bear with, because there's a large audience who are out there right now watching this. They are unaware of digital marketing terms, concepts, and all that thing. So I have to keep that in mind while I'm delivering the lecture. Okay, so I can go directly or begin with intermediate section. Okay. The second thing that I've got from yesterday's session, was about few questions, okay, about our presentation, that about interest and intent based targeting, or short-term interest and long-term interest. I will talk all the about in our coming session. I'll explain you once again when we start learning Google Ads, when we start learning Facebook Ads. I will again explain you those things. And other question was about marketing strategy. For that, the third session, which is on 29th, we have an entire separate bit for explaining you the marketing strategy using AIDA concept. So I will be covering that as well. Okay. So today we will be doing two things. I'll just quickly share my screen. So today's agenda is very clear. We're gonna do GMB, Google My Google My Business Listing, practical. Also explain you its importance. And second, we're gonna create a website using WordPress. Okay. Now here the point is, in website we're not gonna create actual website, okay? Because majority of you are students, okay? Couple of you, maybe several of you might have your own business, but today what I'll teach you is how to use this tool to build a website, okay? And then as per your convenience and as per your creativity, you can design your website layout and you can put the content and all. Okay. Right now, what you can do is, since if you're all digital marketing aspirants who are watching this, you can create your online resume using this WordPress, and you can link it to Google My Business listing. That's what you can do. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, we'll just quickly go to Google and then we're gonna type Google My Business. First, I will show you how to do it, and then you're gonna do along with. Okay, let me just quickly check the chat. One sec. No, you don't need to pay for hosting. You don't need to pay for domain. That you can do whenever that you want. You can host your website on self-hosted server. Like, say your domain is dhavalkamda.com. Until you do not buy a domain or until you do not buy hosting, your site will read dhavalkamdar.wordpress.com. Completely fine. You just understand how to use WordPress to design your website. That's all. There are many themes available. You can select the themes as per your requirement, and then once you're ready, once the site is ready, then you think, okay, it's good to go live, then you can buy a hosting from WordPress itself, and then you can buy a domain also. Okay, right now we are just gonna learn how to use it. Yes, there was no assignment yesterday, guys. You're gonna get today. So quickly, guys, log into your Gmail account and open a new tab, google.com, and then I'll tell you what to do. So now we're gonna start creating Google My Business listing, and it's absolutely free. Okay, Google does not charge a penny from you to do that. Duration of this lecture is going to be max of 2 hours. By 6 we will be done. Quarter to 6 is a max. Okay, I want to keep about say 10 minutes for Q&A. Okay.
Guys, sir got disconnected. We'll be back in some time, guys. Stay there.
Hello everyone. I think sir is having some issue. Okay, so by that time we have updated the attendance form in the description box. Go and fill up that form. So by sir will back again, so you can resume the class. Attendance form is there in the description. Mods, LU mods also put it in the live chat, so they can go and fill up the attendance form.
Yes. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, that's some NAT issue. Screen got freezed. I'm back now. Okay, cool. So, guys, let's start. I'm just sharing my screen. You guys able to see my screen? Guys, you need a laptop or computer to do practical. Okay. If you don't have now, it's completely fine. You just watch today's session, and then once you have that laptop available, then you can do this practical. Okay, great. So you're gonna follow me now. I'll do one step, you see that, and then you do it by yourself. Okay, and if you have any question, then I'm there to answer it. Need to have a Gmail account. I'm sure you all must be having it. No need to create a new one. You're just gonna use the existing one. Okay, go to google.com right now, type Google My Business. You will see the first result, which is this. Click on Google My Business, and then on the top right side, you will see sign in button. Use your Gmail account credential to do this. Great. Net is slightly so slow today, guys, so just kindly bear with me. Yes, now screen is load. I'm gonna click on sign in, and then I'm gonna use the Gmail account that already I'm having. Okay, to log in. Okay, yeah, I've just logged into Google My Business. Same way you have to do it. Once you log into Google Business account, just comment that you have logged into GMB account. There were no assignment, guys, yesterday. There were no assignment. Okay, great, great. I'll tell you what to put here in a business name. I just need maximum number of years logged into GMB account. You're gonna use, again, I'm repeating the same thing. You're gonna use your Gmail account, type Google My Business. You will see the first result on a search. Click that, screen will appear. Click on the right hand side sign in button. Use your Gmail account credential, sign in, and then you're gonna land on this particular screen, which you're seeing right now. Okay. Yes, you're gonna have assignment today, Achal. You would be having assignment today. You're gonna submit this screenshot to GitHub. I'll tell you which screenshot that you need to submit. Once you complete this entire task, you need to submit this screenshot to GitHub. I'll tell you. Okay. So once you're logged in here, if you have your business, you're gonna type your business name. But right now, we're just gonna type your individual name. Okay, I'm typing now. Let's upgrade here. You're gonna type a respective name, and you are creating your own business listing. Okay. So if somebody search your name on Google search, your business listing will appear. But ideally, unless you're a freelancer, you can create on your name if that's your business name, or you're gonna create this business listing for your company whom you're working for. Okay. So ideally, you would be entering here the company name. As of now, not to worry, write your own name. Okay, here. And then you will see these two result. You're gonna click on the first one, create a business with this name. Okay, I'm just gonna add the apostrophe here to avoid duplication. Okay, once you're gonna enter this, click here, create a business listing. You're gonna come to this page, you're gonna confirm your business name. Okay, right now I'm gonna enter your name as I said. Click next. Then you're gonna create, not create, actually gonna write the business category that you are in here. Let me quickly check the chat and let me just see all are with me or not. Guys, if we reach to this particular screen where it says choose a business category fits your business best, just write yes or just write you reach there. Just comment done, something like that, so that I'll get to know majority of you are on the same screen. Okay, okay, cool, great. So, second step, once you enter your name, okay, again I'm saying no need to think about you don't have a business, it's fine. You're just gonna creating a name, you're just gonna write your own name. Write your own name, click next, select the business category. Say example, here let's upgrade is into education. I'm just writing education, say education center, select, and then next. Say you are into something else, you are into marketing. So in marketing also, you will see multiple options. Say marketing agency or your marketing consultant or internet service provider. Basically, whichever business that you're in, you just look for that category. Okay. You won't be having category as a freelancer. Don't put that freelancer. Even if it is a don't put that. You just write the business name that you're into. Right now, as I mentioned, I'm gonna select education institution, click here, and then hit next. So you can explore this part. Then the question will prompt, do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? You have option yes or no. Right now we click yes, hit next, and here you're gonna enter the address. Okay, and make sure you get this particular red dot on that address. Once you're able to find that, okay, this is the actual place, then you're gonna click the next. I'll show you how to do this. First, make sure everybody currently on this page, on the address page. Okay, it's fine if you don't have a business. It's not a big deal. Okay, you're just gonna write your own name and select any category. Okay, do not write freelancer because freelancer of what? You must be providing some sort of services, right? So select that service. You will definitely find it. Okay, so just write the comment section that if you're on an address page, just write it. I'm seeing yes, couple of yes. I just want maximum people to be on the same page. Just mention that you have reached the location page. In the address section, who are already reached to this page, start entering your address. Okay, who has already reached to this page, start entering your address. In category, you can name any category of your choice. You can name marketing, you can education or IT. You can just type, think of anything, you can just put it. Okay, right now what is the goal is to get familiar with this particular tool, how you can register your business on Google directory. That is a goal. Okay, so here, yes, it's all actually made up. You just writing your name, you're not writing your business name because you don't have one. Agreed. In the category, just selecting any random one just to get past that screen and go to the next one. Okay, but ideally what you will be doing it, you're going to enter your business name, you're going to select the business category, and then you're going to enter the address where you operate. Okay, so whoever right now on our address page, enter your address, and then we'll click on the next. Yes, you can edit this later on, not a problem. In fact, you can delete this entire Google business listing also. Right now, we are just learning this. Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna go and enter the address and I'll start. Okay. If you want to add a line here, you can click add a line and then you can continue further. Okay. I'm just entering here all the details. It is pretty self-explanatory. Shouldn't be facing a problem here. Select the state. Okay. So what you have done is you give the street address. If it is a bigger one, then you can click the add line. If you click there add line, the second line will appear. You mention your street address, then your city, the pin code, and state. Once all this is filled, then you will click on next. You can able to see this. Let me go to the chat and just ensure everybody is on a same page. Everybody is on where are you located screen. One sec. Hmm. Okay. Just write done instead of yes, which makes more sense. Just write done if you are on this particular screen. Where are you located? You can't skip address because I'll tell you the significance of adding address. You can't skip that. Great. Great. All right. Now, why we are entering the address first, I'll tell you. So how it basically it works, guys. Okay. So you're gonna enter the address. Once you complete the entire process, there's another 2 or 3 steps. Then Google will contact you. Any of these three way. Either they will call you on the number that you have given while sign up on Gmail, or most likely they will send the post on the address that you have mentioned here to verify the location that you have entered. Or they will send you a code on the Gmail account associated that you have used because they're going to verify okay this particular thing does exist. They're going to send you a post. The post contain 5-letter numerical code. Once you add that, then only your Google business listing will be live on Google search engine. Okay, so then if somebody on a Google search type double kamda, they can able to see the Google listing. The significance of adding address is this. Okay, so if you don't enter the address, then your this particular listing will not get verified. Yes, you can change this later on. If you shift it or something that happens, it's completely fine. But here you have to add this address mandatory. Okay, cool. I'm not able to see my okay. I'll give the answer. Venkat Sai, I will give the answer. Who are getting? Do you also serve customer outside this location? You're gonna get two options. If it is yes, then you have to mention the which state or country. If it is no, click on no and proceed further. Whoever get that particular option, do you also serve customers outside this location? You're gonna present it with two options. If it is yes, then you're gonna select the which city or country that you are serving it. If it is no, then click no. Ideally, right now, just click no and proceed further. Yes, you can change possible all information what you have added so far. I'll tell you all everything how to edit all this. Okay, you can change this later on, not a problem. You can create a new account if you already have. It's saying enter the website URL. You can practically make it up. It shouldn't be mandatory, and if it is a mandatory, just write google.com and just go ahead. If they're asking a website URL, then also they would be saying, does your business require business URL or not? Select no and then proceed further. And if it doesn't let you proceed further, then just write abc.com or a google.com if system prompts enter website URL. Okay, just write any random like abc.com, xyz.com. Okay, but still you should be getting that option that your business does not require a website. Okay, you can select that option and then proceed to the next slide. Okay, okay. Now I'm going back to my screen. I'll tell you the next step. So guys, now stop your chat for a while. Let's understand the next step, and then again I'm gonna come on chat screen and answer your question. So just stop for a while. Let me finish this step and the coming step, and then again I'll look at the chat and answer your questions. I'll do that. Okay. I'll tell you everything. So upon getting okay, this is very mandatory to get this red button. To get this red button is very mandatory. Right now, do not chat, guys. If you are chatting, just hear this, just understand this. Then you ask a question. I will answer all your questions. Be rest assured. Okay. First, understand this part. This red thing is very mandatory. If you have not got this, click back. You can again try alter your address, just try remove something or add something, and then again click on next. Okay, you should be getting that red thing. Once you get that, since you're gonna get either post at your address that you have mentioned here, so make sure it's actually on a proper location. So here you can zoom in. The plus sign is here. Just zoom in. You can able to see that. Again zoom in. Just click only once. Okay, do not click continuous zoom. Otherwise it's going to be difficult to find your red dot. Okay. Now I am saying okay here this is not the actual my place is somewhere here. I lift this, click here and then just place here. Okay. Initially it was here, but when I zoomed in I've realized it's not actually here. My place is here. So you can just click there, you can lift it and place it wherever your actual address is. Okay. Once you have done this, click next. Now you get this screen. Again, do not chat right now. Do not chat right now. Just finalize that your red button, okay, where actually you are located. Once you finalize that, you will get this screen. Do you also serve customers outside this location? If it is yes, okay, you are not only serving to Navi Mumbai, you are also open to serve Pan Maharashtra, so Pan India. You can click yes. And if you are do not serve the location that you have entered beyond the territory, you click no. What if you click yes? If I click yes, next, system will prompt which area. And I'm serving to whole Maharashtra. because I've clicked yes. Okay. You can also add a couple of more if you want. Right now, just stick to Maharashtra because I'm from Maharashtra. If you're from whichever state, you just select that if you clicked on the yes. Okay. Once you've done this, click on next. You will come to this particular screen. Will ask your contact detail and the website. Now let me see the chat. Whoever has finished these two steps and reached to this particular screen on contact details screen, just comment reached contact details screen. Just comment this much. I'm checking the chat right now. I know guys, this is explanatory. I understand, but there are going to be people who may not understand. That's why I'm going slightly slow. I get it. Okay, cool. Okay, okay, great. Here you're gonna enter the number, okay, so that due to this COVID time you may not get the code and the address that you have mentioned, okay, on a post. They may call you directly. You get call from Google Hyderabad office. They will tell you the 5-digit numerical code. Okay, and then you can add it. Okay, so that's why I need to add the number. You can add your number. And here on a website right now, I'm selecting this option. I'm not clicking on get a free website based on your info. I'll tell you what is that. I'm gonna click right now. I do not need a website because we're gonna create one. Okay, click next. Finish and manage this listing. Okay, all this. Then final option, finish. You will be prompt. Let me just check in a more option. Okay, no, we don't have verify. Prompt this particular screen. Choose a way to verify. You're gonna get postcard by mail. Just enter your name here. So by coming week or max by 1st September, you will be getting this code either via email or you're gonna get this postcard at your address from Google. Okay, and you're gonna click mail. Once you do this, you will get this particular screen. To all viewers that who have done this particular entire task, I want you to take a screenshot of this particular thing. Save this as GMB listing verification underscore your name. As part of assignment, you have to upload this to GitHub. Okay. Take a screenshot of this. The postcard is coming. Okay. Save it GMB or Google My Business verification underscore your name. Just check the chat. Okay. Yes, you will get the recorded session, no problem. Yes, Abdul, you will get the recorded. It's going to be there on the YouTube channel. No problem. There are high chances some of your account might have just created because the location that you have selected, there is a possibility there's majority of people in that vicinity might have verified the business prior yours. So Google again will not do the same step. Okay. They simply verified your address. But that happened just about 40%. Remaining, you will always get this particular screen and then they will send you the postcard for verification. Okay, okay. EMB listing already. How I will create a new one using the same Gmail. You can then you have to, you see, if you already have Google business listing, then you have to go to Google My Business page and then you have to add a new location. Okay, okay. Mm, didn't get this screen. Guys, just write it. How many of you are on this screen? The postcard is coming. Just write how many of you on a postcard page. Just comment that you're on a postcard page. And those who are not on postcard page, then I'll tell you what to do. You have to upload the screenshot to GitHub. Aditi Gupta, you have to upload the screenshot. At the end of the session, the people who behind the stream, the Harshraj and the other guy, will tell you how to do it. Okay, it's kind of a mixed answer that I'm getting right now. How many of you have not get this screen? What is the problem that you are facing? Just mention in the comments. This listing is very important. We can move ahead, guys. But the thing is, majority of people are commenting that they are not seeing this screen. No verification screen appeared. Okay, okay. If you haven't got a postcard screen, then might be possible you already have reached the dashboard, which means your verification is already being done. Because on that location that you have entered nearby vicinity, there were people who already verified that location prior you. That's why you haven't got this screen. The people who have not got this screen, the postcard is coming because the people nearby area already verified that same location. Okay. So once you reach to this particular part, hit continue. Okay, because of education institution, I'm just starting tutoring. That's it. Save. Okay, gonna add the business hours. So you just what I'll do right now is I will not add this each and every day. I'll just click here and then you can select the day like say you're opening say 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Just need to toggle this. You can add the hours. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just keeping it as it is and moving further. Save. Description. You can write about the description about your business or about yourself. If it is for yourself, then you can write about yourself. What do you say? You're operating as a freelancer. Okay. Second, write about what you are doing. What are your expertise? What is your skill set? How you can help someone. You can write here in a description. It is a business description. Okay. You can skip for now, then you can add this later on as well. Okay. Just explaining you, this is the part where you enter a business description. What is your business is all about? Then you're gonna skip this. You can add the photos that you have. You can just use any photo. I'm just adding a one photo. Wait a minute, I purposely switched off my screen sharing. So don't give me a 1 second. I'm just uploading a picture. I click the next. Okay. Now I'm on this screen. This is the dashboard. How many of you reach to the dashboard? How many of you complete this thing? Okay, okay. Deva, you need to take the screenshot prior. But if you've done this already, then it's fine. Then you can't go back. Okay, okay. Fair enough. Suspend. The location has been suspended due to quality issue. Okay. So Pratik, you have to again go back and then you can change the location. Which screen are you on right now, Pratik? Awesome, Aditi. You have done. Nice, nice. I'm seeing reached, reached, reached. Done. Okay. Reached. Great. How to submit this assignment to and to which location? At the end of the session, I will ask Ashraj to just walk you through. I just tell how to do it. Whoever else don't know about it. Okay. So don't worry. Right now we just focus on the screen and just focus on to complete this task. Okay. And more importantly, focus on to understand this Google My Business. Okay. So I guess most of you have reached to this page. I'll show you how to delete it. First, understand this. Pratik, I've got your land what you're saying that your location is suspended. You can again go back and change the location. You can do that. How do we submit the assignment if you don't get the location verification only? Which screen you are on, Harsh? Harsh, I got your question. Which screen you are on currently? If people have gone past that screen and currently they are on dashboard, it's okay. You can just take a screenshot of the dashboard. Okay. And that also you can send it stating that you are on a dashboard. So just write GMB dashboard underscore your name. Completely fine. If you have skipped that part, you just click next and you've reached to dashboard. It's okay. You can take this dashboard screenshot and name it GMB dashboard underscore your name. It's completely fine if you have forget to take screenshot of the verification part. And from now on until for September, keep checking your Gmail. You may get the verification code on the Gmail, or you will get it on your address that you mentioned. Sir, as for session already completed, cloud computing start. Today that's counted. Okay. Pratik, no idea about it. Your question, dear. Sorry, Parth Khatri. I didn't get your question. If you have already taken a screenshot of postcard, then that's all. That's all. And if you gone past that screen, you're currently on a dashboard screen, then you can take a dashboard screenshot. Not a problem. So now I'm gonna just show you how to use this dashboard. What all information that you can fill in here. Okay. And right now just don't go and hurry and submit the screenshot. Just understand the entire tool. Okay. It's fine if you can take a screenshot from your mobile phone. You can just take a photo and then it's also completely normal. It's completely fine. Right now, don't think about uploading it or I need to upload it right now. No, we'll do it later on. You can do this after this session complete. You will do that. Completely fine. Okay. So guys, and I'm stop reading the chat and I'm going to a dashboard and I'm gonna explain you each and every thing. Okay. Do not claim Vanishka Saini your 2000 rupees. I'll show you how to use it and when to use it. When we're gonna do Google Ads, then you're gonna use this 2000 rupees coupon. Okay. If you want, you can just take the screenshot for now, but do not proceed further. Okay. I'll tell you how to use it. Right now, just let it be as it is. Okay, guys. Now I'm not reading chat. I'm just going to dashboard and gonna explain you how to use this tool. Okay. All right. So this is your home page. Here, if you want, you can link to your Gmail account or you can buy one. It will gonna show here a pending verification. It's gonna take maximum 12 days from now. Okay, so you should be getting this max by 3rd or 4th September max. But lately, what I've noticed, though they mention 12 days, but you will be getting it a code on your email, or they will directly call you to verify location. I just show you how to verify your location. Guys, right now stop commenting on a chat box. Just look at this particular part, which is very important. On the left side navigation, scroll down, you will see this verify location. Okay. Once you get a code on your email, or you get a call from Google, or you get a postcard, you have to click here on the left side navigation. It's going to be like this. Just scroll it down, look for verified location, click here, and then you can enter a code here, and then you can hit the verify. Okay, the code that we're gonna get, that you can enter here. Do not click on any of these two options, mail again or a change method. No. If 12 days is completed, then you can go about mail again. Otherwise, do not click here. Okay, I'm just going back. So now we understand. Okay, once you get the code, where to go? Again, I'm repeating. You have to, on the left side navigation, you're gonna click on the verified location. Once you click the verified location, you will be prompted with this screen. You can enter the code and verify. Okay, let's explore this tool. This is the post section. Cancel this. Okay. So guys, are you with me so far? Great. Whoever location, Anup, congrats if your location is verified. Congrats if your location is verified. That's great. So now you can able to Google your name, then you will get it once we finish the entire stuff. Just mention yes if you're with me up till now. This is very important topic. That's why I'm kind of going slightly slow, because this is very important. By when you're gonna run Google ads, on that time you shall be requiring this particular Google business listing verification thing gonna play a huge role there. Okay, that's why I'm taking time and explaining everything slow. Okay, great, great. Okay, Isha, that's great. If your location is already verified, that's great. Ruben, it's safe to give number. You're not giving number to any third party, giving number to Google, and that's how they're gonna contact you. In case if they don't able to fetch your address, if they have any problem, they can contact you. It's completely fine. I've used my number when I listed my own Google business listing, like a digital double. If you just Google this, when I was doing this part, I've also mentioned my number, so it's fine, not a problem. Great, Priyesh, if your location is verified. Navigation, guys, is on a left hand side. Navigation is on a left hand side. Yes, it's going to be verification pending. Most of your verification will be in pending. It's coming. Create an offer. You will see the X button on the right hand side. Click on the X button. If it says create an offer, on the right hand side corner there is an X button. Click there, it will go. Pooja, if you just verify your location, it will gonna take few hours to visible. Okay, you can able to find it. Create an offer is there. You can able to find there is a X button on the right hand side of that same pop up. You click there, you can able to see the screen. I can't show you once because already I've clicked the X button. Nice, man. Couple of people already saying they have verified their location. Thanks. Congrats, Navneet, if your location is verified. Great. Okay. Okay, great. Fine. Now again, I'm going to the dashboard and gonna explain you this particular part, post and the info. So now stop guys commenting on a live chat for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna explain you the info section. I'm gonna explain you the post section, and then again I'm gonna check the live chat. Okay. Until then, all eyes on the screen and just understand how to use info section and how to use post section. Okay. So now going to dashboard. Great. If you have any announcement to make for the COVID-19 thing, you can click here and you can update your status. See, use this tool the way you're using any social media to post something. Similarly, you can use this tool about your business. You're posting something what happening in your business, a new range that you have launched in your product category or a service category, anything that you have, you can use this post section and update your customer about your business. Okay. This particular COVID thing, you can mention if there's a change in time or if there's gonna change in delivery time, something. If it is a very very important, your customer should know about that. So you can mention here. Okay, let's understand one by one these options. Add offer. If I just click here right now, just look at it. Don't do practically now. Just look at it, explore this part. Then I'll give you time to do it by yourself. Okay, first just understand this. I've clicked on the offer. You can click the picture, which is all about offer is. Okay, you can give the title. If it is 20% off, 30% off, whatever, like you can give any kind of a headline. If it is going to be just a short time, say it's only a festive season offer, write the start date and the end date. If you click on additional option, you can write offer details, or you can write a coupon code, or you can redirect people to redeem that offer. Terms and condition, you can be found in add more details. It's going to be like this. Just click here and you will get all these options. Okay, there you're gonna enter this information. Clear? So this is the offer. If you're running an any offer about a products or about a services, any discount offer, give it nice attractive title, support to that, add the image. If you click on add photos, it will upload that from your system that you have created. Sorry, you're gonna enter the start date and the end date if it is for the limited time period, and then you can fill this information. Next, what's new? I click here what's new. This part I use the most. Okay, I keep like posting stuff on my Google business listing on every weekly basis, the one which I've just created. That's how I'm kind of building a relation and maintaining relation with the customer. So whenever somebody searches about my business, about my name, my GMB listing on the right hand side always appear, and they always see the something new post that I've just mentioned. That's how I build my reputation with my clients, with my customers. Okay, so always you can write. This is kind of a paragraph section. You can write here in paragraph, upload the pictures. Then there is this add button. If you click here, if it is like a booking sort of a thing, you can click the book and then give that particular URL. Same thing for order nine or order online or a buy. If it is a sign up thing, give that URL. If it is a learn more, then you just directing them to your website to some service page. You just click here any of these options. It will give you the link. Hit publish. Before publish, you can always preview it. Okay. So this is the section. The way you use it, Facebook to post something, you add a text, and in support you add image or a video. You can do it here in what's new section. Next, event. Okay, is there an event that you're hosting, any seminar that you're hosting, and any workshop that you're hosting? Give a title. Say there is a social media marketing webinar, or say specific Facebook workshop. Okay, I'm gonna add the image, then the booking date, It's gonna end, say it's gonna be on 1st of September, so 2nd of September. So last date going to be the 1st of September. Till then, people can able to view this post and they can able to click on that link and then they can register for this event. Then here you can enter the event details and then instead of learn more, click sign up and give that link and then you hit publish. So this way, if any event is happening which you're conducting, any workshop, seminars, anything, give the title, appropriate title, upload the images, the end date, the details about that workshop or that event, and then select the appropriate button here, give the link. So that's all here guys in post section. What's new you use for the post part, event is for the any event announcement, offer is for any products or services, COVID-19, which is a new thing which Google has just rolled out. So anything new which your customer should know about it, you can mention here. So this was the post section and all your post will be visible here. Okay. I'll also show you my GMB account as well. I'll go to the info section on the left hand side from left hand side navigation, click on the info section. After I'll explain this part, I'll give you about 2 to 3 minutes to explore the post section and the info section. Okay, now let's understand the info section here. Very important, do not now go and just start doing it. Just listen to this first. Okay, you can change your name, tweak it if you want. Okay, say let's upgrade. People will not only search in Google let's upgrade unless it is a popular. Say it is a new brand. Okay, so what you guys are doing? Say you are a education institution. Okay, so you're gonna write let's upgrade, then underscore or a hyphen, then so and so marketing classes. You need to write in your title what possibly your audience will type or what possibly your audience will search. That key term you have to mention in your business name. How I write my name is I've not just only mentioned Dhaval Kamdar or Digital Dhaval. I also mentioned digital marketing trainer and consultant because I know those who know me, they will directly search in Google Digital Dhaval Kamdar, they will get my details. But for the large section of audience, they will not be knowing me. Okay, Digital Dhaval does exist, or Dhaval Kamdar does exist. Who is a trainer? What they will type? They will type digital marketing trainer in Mumbai or digital marketing consultant. So how I write here is whatever that you want to add, I'll just and then I'll just start what I have to mention here. Okay, in classes. This is the key term what my audience will type in a Google search because this listing will appear on a Google search. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna write my name. Let's Upgrade is a company name, and then service that you provide. I'm gonna write proper name. Okay, you do bit research prior. Come to conclusion that you're gonna write exactly this way. You're gonna phrase this particular word. Okay, Google that. How many people actually searching that way? Okay, and then you're gonna apply that. So this way you have just updated your name category. You by mistakenly or say right now just sake of learning it, you just entered anything gibberish. Okay, it's not real. After class complete, you realize no, I want to like make it proper one, and you realize it's not your actual category is. You are into photography. So let's just search. Here it is. Photography studio, photographer, photography services, photography institute. Say you are having a studio. I've entered this and I've applied. So you can change each and every information what you have just entered so far. Same goes with my address. Also the service area. If you remember, this question was prompted that do you serve outside of this location or not? So this is what it is. Your hours, closing and opening hours. Click here on the pencil sign, toggle this, enter. This is 24 hours clock, guys. So if it is okay, so like I can explain it, but still I'm showing you 10. So it's Sunday, still operating, but only half day. So say 10 to 1. Okay, and then again for Monday, toggle this. So this way you can fill this part. Phone number, you can update this phone number also, or you can delete this also. Not a problem. Right now, do not delete it because then they can't able to contact you over a call. Once this thing get verified by Google, then you can remove your phone number, or you can change. You can buy a new number for your business. Then you can add that one. It's completely fine. This section is adding your website. Okay, so you can add your website here, the URL. This part, I'll just show you once again how to do it. Just type okay, add your products. You can add your products here. Services. This is the business description bar which I've just showed you. We just click here and go about explaining what you are doing. Okay, photos. Here one is got it. Okay, here one is for your logo. One is a cover picture which is horizontal. If you have then any additional photo that you would like to add, you can. Videos and any additional photo. Here also you get this option, interior pictures or exterior, like outside of a shop or inside your shop. If it is outside of a shop or a place, that's going to be in exterior section. If it is inside your shop, that's going to be interior section. Okay. So this is your photo section. Again, I'm coming to info part. So that's the long and short of the post section and the info section. I'm just checking the chat now. In the meantime, I'll just give you about good 3 to 5 minutes. Just explore this, and then once this session is complete, practice this part. Okay, I'll just quickly check the chat. It's 5:15. Next, under 5 minutes, we're gonna begin and gonna proceed further. Until then, just explore the info section and the post section. Okay. Yes. The code Hemaxi, the code is a 5-digit numerical code. Say 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the code is for the verifying your location. Okay. Whoever are watching from mobile, complete this entire session today, and then once the session is complete, you can look for the computer, laptop or a computer, yeah, and then you can do this entire activity. How you can delete the business listing, I will show you. First understand how to do it, then think about how to delete it. It will take time, guys. It will take max of 12 days to get the code. Harshit, which address to enter? Either could be office or could be home. Right now just enter your home address. It's completely fine. Google Ads location, I will show, I will tell you what is Google Ads location or what is extension phone. Nikita, right now, just focus on this session. At the end, Harshraj or the behind the scene team will tell you how to submit this. Okay. You just need to simply upload one simple screenshot. That is all. And if you have any problem doing that, so then team will tell you how to do it. Right now, just focus on understanding the tool. You can also add multiple location. Deadline for submitting assignment is over. Why? I don't know. Are you saying this final statement or is it a question? Deadline for submitting the assignment is over. Riddhi. Okay, okay. The backend team is fixing it. Riddhi, don't worry. Congrats, Pooja Jalan, if you see your business on Google search. Congrats. See, to edit, I just showed you how to edit it. Okay. You can do it later on as well. Even after once your address get verified by Google, then also you can edit this. Not a problem. The way it takes time, you don't see a business on Google, so because it's gonna take time to verify. Ritu, I'll tell you, you have to upload the screenshot on the GitHub. I'll tell you. At the end of the episode, I will tell you. Guys, right now, do not ask any question where to upload a assignment. I will tell you in last 5 minutes before session gets over. Okay, guys. Mm, You will get the code from Google over email or by post. The assignment was when you done this listing, Kunal, you got that particular screen which says your postcard is coming. Only that screenshot you need to submit on the GitHub platform. Okay, which just shows that you finished this particular part. And if you missed that slide, you can take this dashboard screenshot. That's all. Yeah, Archana, done. Do not tamper with anything location right now. Wait for a while and then you can again change it. Sometimes it shows an error. It happened with me also. Yes, Pranav, I'll start with the WordPress. Wait, I'll start with the WordPress, no problem. If you already had a GMB listing, do not tamper with that GMB listing. You need to create a new one. Okay, guys, I'm going to back my screen. Okay, so rest these all option. You just I want you to explore this. Okay, explore this option by yourself, and then if you have any question, you can tell me in our next session. Okay, which is on 29th. This is the home part where you see all these. Someone has asked me how to delete this. Okay, first this claim thing now, do not right now click here. The claim thing. Okay, I'll tell you when to use this section. Okay, when we do the Google Ads now, then we'll do this. Someone has asked me in the chat how to delete this listing. So on the left side navigation, you go on info and click here on remove listing. Or if it is closed, then you can write mark as permanently closed. Okay. If you mark as permanently closed, so in Google search, your listing will appear this place is closed. And if it is you removing, then it will not appear. So to remove or delete your listing from Google Business directory, go on info, click on remove listing. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you're good to go, this is the only thing that you have to do. Last thing before we move further, under manage location, you will see how many location that you have under same email ID, under same bucket. Right now, you're just having only one address. You can also add another location in the same GMB listing by doing the same process. I'm having under one Google My Business account, I'm having two locations. Okay, so you can click here, add location, add a single location, and then you have to repeat the whole process. Quickly, I show you how to do it. From left side navigation, I click on manage locations. I click here, and then here I'm gonna click under add location, add single location, and then I have to repeat the whole process. Okay, so that's all about GMB listing. Just go and explore this today. One session gets complete. We're gonna begin with the WordPress now, creating a website. Explore the post part, the info part, and if you have any question, I'm there in a Let's Upgrade community and a digital marketing group, and I will answer all your questions that you have. Okay. And if you have any specific question about this, you just take a screenshot and upload that as well, so I can able to understand or I can able to guide you. Okay, how to do it, how to fix that. Great, Rachel, if you see your profile. WordPress will begin today, and the remaining part will do it on the coming sessions. You can have multiple location, not a problem. You can have up to 10,000 locations in GMB, not a problem. Guys, we're gonna begin our WordPress basic thing only we'll do today, just about login and all, and then we'll continue from our coming session. This listing Riddhi, is very important. Google listing is important. WordPress is free. You do not need to buy any hosting plan or any domain plan. It's completely free. Safina, already I've mentioned that if you're having more than one business, you can add up to 10,000 location in a Google business listing. Yes, you can create a website of the free of cost using WordPress, but you won't be having your own domain name. It's going to be your name or your business name. One sec. Okay. So it's going to be your name and then WordPress.com. WordPress is free. Deadline is not over. Deadline, maybe you're facing some issues in the backend, which team is fixed. Yeah, thanks, Dave, if you see your name. Okay, guys, quickly because we just have about half an hour. Let's just go to a WordPress and just start signing in. Okay. And then in tomorrow, in our next session, we're gonna understand how to create a website and the briefing of SEO, how to rank your website on a Google search. Okay, I'll definitely go. See, the thing is, guys, there are a couple of you people who already know these things. Okay, so they may see it's kind of repetitive, but that's okay. Large section of audience who are watching right now, who watch this later on, they may not be knowing these things. For them, I have to go to this space. Okay, so just have to bear with me. Okay, guys, the team has already mentioned in the chat they will be making assignment submission enable once session completes. Okay, I'm just going to my screen, guys, and I will not now answer your chat as of now. I'll just go to my screen and then we just go about start creating our WordPress site. We just start doing that. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to Google search and then I'm gonna start. I'll start sharing my screen and you follow me. Which WordPress version are you going to use? I will show you. Okay, I'll show you. We're just having half an hour and then we're gonna just do the basics of WordPress and then from coming session we'll complete our remaining part. So guys, now stop chat, focus on my screen and then also follow me alongside. Okay, just register yourself, use the same Gmail ID and then we'll go about it. Chandan, I will ask your query in a comment in the community forum. Chandan Sani, just go to Let's Upgrade community forum. Go to this group, digital marketing. Post your question there, detail, and then I will answer your question there. Okay. Okay, guys, and I'll stop answering your question. I'll share my screen. So here it is, guys. Now stop commenting on a live chat. Now look at the screen. We're having exact half an hour. Okay. Go to Google and type WordPress. Okay. Wow, WordPress is doing 2 ppc of their business only. That's great. So you're gonna click here, create a website, land on the screen, click on get started. First you watch this and then you do by yourself. Okay. Don't do right now. Just watch this part. Is very, very easy. Nothing rocket science here. You're gonna create your account here. Okay. Okay. Enter your email ID, username, password, create your account. It should be available now. And at least this should be available. Yeah, this is available finally. Just copy this my username and then create your account. Wait, just give me guys 1 sec. Just stop sharing my screen. Sorry for that. I'm back again. Okay, so I'm just typing. I hope now my screen is visible to you. Just type a test here, nothing much. I'll scroll here. You will see this self-hosted domain dot wordpress.com. You're not gonna buy right now anything. Neither hosting, it's going to be self-hosted. Also, not the domain name. We're just gonna go with the free one. You will see here. Select. Okay. Start with the free site here. To all viewers right now watching this, could be student, could be business owner. Right now, just think you're gonna prepare your profile, your portfolio. It's going to be about yourself. When you're applying for a job, rather than just sending them a soft copy of your CV, why don't you create a WordPress site? Let it be self-hosted. Say your name is Divya Kumari. So divyakumari.wordpress.com. That's going to be a website which is nothing but your online resume. Also, since you have done today a Google business listing, so if they're gonna type Divya Kumari, your Google business listing will also appear, and so is your website. This just going to show that you also know these things because you're gonna use Google My Business Listing, you're gonna use WordPress to create your client's account. So before creating someone else's account, you should be knowing that. So you're gonna try using all these tools for your own self. This is going to be kind of your own portfolio that you have your blog, do have your online resume like using WordPress, you have your Google business listing, right? All these things are comes under a portfolio. Okay. That's why I'm teaching you this WordPress. I'm just gonna show you all the icons that is and how you're gonna use all these things to create your profile. If you're good in writing part, if you already have done some gigs in your domain, you can upload those things in WordPress site. So one thing going to be about your portfolio, what you have done so far, and another page talks about your CV. And you're gonna share that link in your circle and wherever you're applying, along with a soft copy of your CV. Okay. Right now, I just want you to do till reach to this particular step. Okay. Just sign up, select the free one program, which is the .wordpress.com, and then land on this particular screen. I'm checking the chat now, right now, giving you about 5 minutes, and just complete this task and land on this particular screen. Reach to this particular stage. Okay. Okay. Until then, I just drink water. Sorry, Pooja, if I'm going too fast, you can ask me the question that you have not understand. Okay, Divya, so you can have that particular thing, what you have wrote so far, the blog. You can also copy paste the same thing on this WordPress, or maybe you can just use that same blog if you're already using WordPress. It shouldn't be saying a select design. Yes, Riddhi, you can do anything like your resume or a portfolio. Why I'm saying resume or portfolio? Because majority of you right now looking for a job, okay, or maybe you can operate yourself as a freelancer, but still you may look for a work. That's why I said the one page you're gonna talk about your portfolio. You can have all your work done that you have done so far. You can mention there, and on another page, sorry, and on another page, you're gonna write your resume. MailChimp is different. WordPress is very easy to use actually. Okay, then MailChimp. I just stopped sharing my screen so I can just see your chat. WordPress is good than Blogger because already I have a Blogger. I wanna choose a design page. What to, you can select any practical design that you have liked if you're on a design page, and then you can hit next. So one again I will explain, no problem. I will again pick from here only in our next session, not a problem. And again I will show you the same step that I have done. So again I will create a new account. Those who already reached this particular page where I am right now, it's fine. But for those who might have lost their connection in between or who has didn't able to comprehend information what I have said, again I'm gonna repeat myself. Not a problem. Yes, Diva, you can do it. You're a graphic designer, I get it. So while you're gonna design a page, you can create a one page where you can just upload the thumbnails of your work that you have done. Okay, you can do that. Do not go for the payment. In the in the same page you will see this particular line which says your name, that the domain that you have selected dot wordpress dot com, and that's going to the free of cost. Guys, select the free domain. You will see the free domain. Just slightly scroll down the same page, you will see the free domain. Manjit, I will share my screen, but already I've gone past that particular phase. Okay, guys, whoever not right now, who are confused or who have not reached the page where I'm currently, I've just finished the selecting my domain name, selected the free self-hosted wordpress.com, and I'm on a WordPress dashboard. Whoever so far have not reached to WordPress dashboard, I will do again. I will show you again in coming session, which is 29th. Again, I'll start from the beginning for you. Okay. It's a free site. Yes, it can be seen by anyone. I have my self-hosted domain like WordPress domain for good about 3 years. Until then, I have not bought my domain or hosting anything. It was self-hosted website, but it was still visible. So that's completely fine. If it is a self-hosted website, Vanishka, I'm answering your question. If it is self-hosted website, or if you have not purchased any domain, you can't connect your site to Google Analytics. Okay, guys, one quick thing because we're almost about to end the session. Just a quick vote. Whoever right now on a WordPress dashboard, just write WP dashboard. Just write WP dashboard. Whoever right now on a WordPress dashboard. I just want to see how many of you able to reach to that stage. You not need to select Shivani domain. Just skip that step. You will see the free one. Thank you guys. You will see the free one, the free domain. Just select that. Okay. You need to select the self-hosted wala part. Great, great, great. WP dashboard, WP dashboard. That's great, guys. Guys, don't worry. Whoever not able to make it till WP dashboard, those guys, I will again gonna start from that point only on 4 o'clock in next session. Okay, and I will again show you how to reach there. Not a problem. Great. I guess most of you able to make it. That's pretty good actually. Most of you able to make it to WP dashboard, which is very, very good. Just stop there. We'll not go about selecting theme or adding page or anything. Nothing. We're just gonna stop at that particular point. The deadline of today's assignment is nothing. You just submitted your assignment once this session get completes. Okay. But today max by tomorrow Monday. But I will talk about bit about the deadline. First, let me just read the chat. How many able to? Thank you, Meenakshi. I'm unable to reach a WP dashboard. Just let me check that particular part first. Mobile tricks. What next? What next is going to be designing a website, which today can't be possible. In our next session is going to be in depth of creating and fixing, not fixing actually, developing your WordPress site. Okay. The behind the scene team, can you just mention in the live chat where to submit the assignment quickly? Let's upgrade behind the team, guys. Just mention the link where they have to submit their website. Okay, just write in the live chat. Guys, the team will definitely share the link here. Don't worry. Great,
Sir, the
Shruti.
link is already in the description, the submission form link.
Okay. Guys, the description link is already there. Sorry, the link is there in the description part. You can get it once the session ends. You can get it from there. Great. Most of you able to reach the WP dashboard, which is very good actually. That's great. The assignment was very simple, guys. Today, what we have done for creating GMB listing, now you just need to submit the screenshot, either the postcard screenshot if you manage to take that one, or if you didn't manage to take that and you are on the dashboard of GMB, take that screenshot, name it GMB listing underscore your name, and submit latest by Monday morning before first half on a GitHub. The link is in the description. Harshit, deadline is over, the team will fix that part. Okay, they will enable that link after the session completes. So don't worry, all you will get time to submit your assignment. Assignment submission is very simple. The GMB listing that we have created today, you just need to submit that screenshot, any of these two, either the postcard coming screen, or If you didn't manage to get that screenshot, then you just need to submit the GMB dashboard link. That's all.
Sir, they have to create a repository on their own GitHub account, name as
Okay.
Let's Upgrade Essential.
Okay.
Upload the screenshot there and then submit under the day one folder, and then submit that day one link on the submission form.
Can some of you write this part, what you've just said? Can you just write this part in the live chat? That'd
Okay,
be a
sir,
great.
we'll do that.
Okay. Guys, just hold on to your thought about submitting your assignment. The team is just writing the steps for you. Okay. I know Varisha, it's saying submission is over. No, they will fix it from their end. They will tell you. Divya, hold on. The team is actually writing the path for you to submit the assignment. Hold on. Team is doing it. Guys, until then, you get the link from the team where to submit your assignment. Just let me know if you understand and like the today's session, what you have just done today, specifically about GMB listing. Have you understood what is GMB listing? Basically, just creating a web presence by doing that. Okay. How should we log into GMB dashboard is very simple. The Gmail account that you have used, same is the credentials for GMB dashboard. So am I hungry actually, Divya? Just give us about 5 minutes and we gonna wrap up. Ritual Singh, just hold on there on the launch your website, just sign out and we'll begin from their point tomorrow.
Sir, we have mentioned the steps and we will also enable the form after the lecture.
Okay guys, the team will enable the form after this lecture completes just next in 5-10 minutes. Okay, and then you can able to submit your assignment there. And the steps is already mentioned. The team, please do share the attendance link. The Sanam has also asked the attendance link. Also, a couple of people did ask about the attendance link. Please do share. Okay. Or is
Yes,
there?
sir.
I guess there's already a description link. But
Yes, sir,
still,
we have uploaded it there.
yeah. So guys, please check the description. Once session get completes, you can check the link. Okay, here's the link. Here's the link for you guys for attendance. Thank you, Dheeraj, for your comment. WordPress yet is not an assignment. The assignment was just submission of a GMB listing, Google Business Listing screenshot. WordPress will continue from that point in 29th of August. Okay. Deadline is guys by 12 max. By first half Monday you have to submit. Actually, you can do it right after session completes. It's nothing that you have to do. Just screenshot upload. So you can do it today itself, but the deadline is Monday before Monday first half. Okay. Guys, a quick question. Just said in the comments if you can get some insight today and you understood today's session. Those who don't have laptop, that is fine. It's okay. We can do it later on. That's completely fine. The deadline for submission they will enable guys once session gets complete. In just about the next 10-15 minutes, they will enable that thing. So you can able to submit your assignment. Not a problem. Thank you guys for your response. Just mention that if you learn something new today about GMB, and if you understood today and like the way I able to presenting myself in front of you.
The assignment submission form has been enabled, sir.
Guys, assignment submission form is unable. You can do once in just next 10 minutes. Once this got completes, you can do it. Thank you guys for your response. And still, I'm still there. I mean, I'm there on the Let's Upgrade community. Join this group, Digital Marketing. You can tag me. My name is Dhaval Kamdar. You can tag me there. You can ask me the question that you have. If possible, you can upload or attach your screenshot of your query so I can able to understand properly, and then I can able to guide you. Okay. Yes, there you go. The team has just mentioned the link of digital marketing community. You can just go there, submit your question, and then I will guide you if you have any particular question about today's session, say GMB. And about the WordPressing, as I've said, we'll again gonna begin a next session from creating your WordPress account. So whoever missed that part or didn't get that part, I will start from that point only. Okay. So we'll begin sharp by 4, 5, 4, 10 max. We're gonna start, and next in 10 minutes I will show you how to do that, and then we'll go about designing it. Okay. So yes, today assignment was nothing as an assignment. It was just submitting a screenshot. That's all. Nothing much. It was just a screenshot. Nothing much. Assignment was just a screenshot. That's all. As we progress the session third and fourth, they're going to be a proper assignment, like a bigger one. Okay. Like you're gonna then submit your GMB final URL once you get approved, once you get verified. Okay. Once you build your website, that also you can able to submit your final website URL. That will be there in the coming sessions. No problem. Okay, guys. If there is any specific questions about today's episode, today's session, we can wrap it. Aditi, where to submit your assignment? The details are already there in the description. Once session get complete, you go to the description part and you can get it. The link. Also, how to do the steps is already mentioned. Okay. Guys, just check another video on a YouTube how to create a GitHub repo. Okay, that will guide you how to create this repo, and then eventually how we can able to submit your screenshot there. Pooja, just check a YouTube video on how to create GitHub repo. Okay. Okay. Sure, we can come online now. I mean, though you're already there, we're just gonna now end the session. Guys, if there are no any specific question about our today's topic, which is Google My Business or a WordPress, and we will begin from that particular point, how to create your account. We will sign off, and then we will meet. Thank, thank you, Shivari, for your rating. We will meet on 29th of August. Don't worry, Krima. We're gonna begin our episode. We're gonna begin our session, the 29th, from creating WordPress account. No problem there. Yes, guys. Yes, we just the next class is on 29th of August at 4 p.m. Team, just write this line once again in the chat only. The next class is on 29th of August, which is next coming weekend, Saturday. Okay, guys, that's all from my side, guys. I'm just signing off now. Sure, we can sign off now.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the lecture, sir. Thank you guys for the lecture.
Thank you, guys. I'm signing off. Any question you have, go to the community, Let's Upgrade Community Digital Marketing Group, and I will be happy to answer your question. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir.
We'll
Thank you,
catch
everyone.
up on coming weekend, which is 29th of September, August at 4 p.m.